Hey everyone! Today we're talking about To Nethunter. It's a cool way to have a hacking toolkit on your Android phone. The best part is you don't need to root your phone. To Nethunter is like a portable computer for security testing. You can use it to find vulnerabilities. You can test the security of your own networks. Nethunter is super powerful, but please use it responsibly. Only use it on your own networks or with permission. Let's dive in and get Nethunter running on your phone. Before we start, you'll need a few things. Don't worry, it's all pretty simple stuff. First, you need an Android phone. You will need a good internet connection. We'll be downloading two main apps. The first is the To Nethunter app. The second is a VNC Viewer app. We'll talk more about those later. That's pretty much it. No routing or complicated setups. Let's get started. First things first, we need to get the Nethunter app. You can't find it on the Play Store. You need to download it directly. Head over to the official Offensive Security website. That's the team behind Kali Linux. Find the Nethunter download page. Make sure you pick the right version for your device. Look for your phone's architecture. It might be something like ARM64 or ARMY v7a. If you're not sure, do a quick Google search for your phone model. Once the download is finished, tap on the APK file. Your phone might ask if you want to allow apps from this source. Don't worry, it's safe to install. Just follow the prompts on the screen. This is a standard security measure on Android devices to prevent unauthorized apps from being installed. By allowing this, you're giving permission for the Nethunter app to be installed on your device. Make sure to read any prompts carefully and proceed by tapping Allow or Install as needed. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Nethunter icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now, open the Nethunter app. You'll see a bunch of options. Don't get overwhelmed. We just need to configure a few things. The main screen of the app is designed to give you quick access to all the powerful tools Nethunter offers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice sections for various tools, settings and configurations. For now, let's focus on the initial setup. This will ensure that everything runs smoothly when you start using the app. If you ever feel lost, remember that there's plenty of documentation and community support available online. First, make sure you have the right Nethunter version selected. Remember that architecture thing we talked about? Double check that it matches. This is crucial because the app needs to be compatible with your device's hardware. If you're unsure about your device's architecture, you can usually find this information in the device settings under About Phone or by doing a quick search online. Selecting the correct version ensures that all features of Nethunter will work properly and that you won't run into any unexpected issues down the line. Next, we need to set up the VNC server. This is how we'll connect to Nethunter from our phone. The VNC server allows you to have a graphical interface for your Nethunter environment, making it easier to navigate and use the tools available. To set this up, go to the VNC server settings within the app. You'll need to configure a few parameters such as the resolution and password. The resolution determines how clear and detailed the interface will appear on your screen, while the password adds a layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Once you've entered these details, start the VNC server. You should now be able to connect to it using a VNC Viewer app on your phone or another device. This setup is essential for a seamless and efficient experience with Nethunter. Section 5. Downloading VNC Viewer. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing the VNC Viewer app on your Android device. This app is essential for connecting to Nethunter, allowing you to remotely access and control your device. We need a VNC Viewer app to connect to Nethunter. This app will enable us to establish a remote desktop connection, making it easier to manage and control our device from anywhere. There are a bunch of free ones on the Play Store. However, not all VNC Viewer apps are created equal. Some may have limited features or may not be as reliable as others. I like to use VNC Viewer from Real VNC. It's simple and reliable. Real VNC has been a trusted name in remote desktop solutions for years, and their app is known for its ease of use and robust performance. Go ahead and search for VNC Viewer in the Play Store. Simply type VNC Viewer in the search bar, and you should see it listed among the top results. Download and install the one from Real VNC. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. It has a green icon with a little computer screen on it. This distinctive icon makes it easy to identify among other apps. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface designed to make setting up your remote connections as simple as possible. You'll see a blank screen with a plus sign in the corner. This is where you'll add your new connections. That's where we'll add our Nethunter connection. By tapping the plus sign, you'll be able to enter the necessary details to establish a secure and reliable connection to your Nethunter device. This will allow you to control and manage your device remotely, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere. Section 6. Connecting to Nethunter. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to connect to your Nethunter environment using a VNC Viewer. This will allow you to remotely access and control your Nethunter setup from your Android device. Remember that VNC server we set up in the Nethunter app? This server is crucial as it acts as the bridge between your device and the Nethunter environment. We need to tell our VNC Viewer how to find it. This involves configuring the VNC Viewer with the correct details so it can locate and connect to the VNC server running on Nethunter. Go back to the Nethunter app and look for the VNC server settings. This is where you will find the necessary information to establish the connection. You should see an IP address and a port number. These are the unique identifiers that the VNC Viewer will use to locate the VNC server. Write these down or copy them to your clipboard. It's important to have these details handy as you will need to input them into the VNC Viewer app. Now, go back to your VNC Viewer app and tap on the plus sign. This will allow you to add a new connection. Enter the IP address and port number from Nethunter. Make sure you input these details accurately to avoid any connection issues. You can name the connection anything you want, like Nethunter. This name will help you easily identify the connection in the future. Tap Create and then tap on the new connection you just made. This will initiate the connection process. It might ask you for a password. This is an additional security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access the VNC server. You can find the default password in the Nethunter app's VNC server settings. If you have changed the password, make sure to use the updated one. Boom! You are almost there. You should now be connected to your very own Kali Nethunter environment. This setup allows you to remotely control and interact with your Nethunter system, giving you the flexibility to perform various tasks and operations from your Android device. Congratulations on successfully setting up the connection. Now, you can explore the full potential of Kali Nethunter and leverage its powerful tools for your cybersecurity needs. Enjoy your new setup and happy hacking. Section 7, using Kali Nethunter. You'll see a full Kali Linux desktop. It's like having a mini hacking computer right on your phone. You can open a terminal window. This is where you'll type in commands. Think of it like a direct line to your phone's brain. There are tons of tools pre-installed. You can use them to scan networks, analyze traffic, and much more. Section 8, updating your tools. Before you start using Nethunter, it's a good idea to update everything. This ensures you have the latest versions of all the tools. Open the terminal window, type in sudo apt update and press enter. Your phone might ask for your password. Enter the same one you used for the VNC connection. This process might take a while depending on your internet connection. Once it's done, type in sudo apt upgrade and press enter. This will actually install the latest versions of all the tools. Section 9, wrapping up. That's it. You've successfully installed Kali Nethunter on your Android phone without rooting. Remember to use this powerful tool responsibly and ethically. We've covered the basics of installing and configuring Nethunter. You've learned how to connect to it using a VNC Viewer. You even know how to update all the tools. It's time to explore the amazing world of ethical hacking and penetration testing. Section 10. Learn more. Want to learn more about To Nethunter and ethical hacking? Check out the official Offensive Security website. They have tons of resources, tutorials, and documentation. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.